Story 4. Quick, Sarah, quick.
Hello, my name is Rocío and I'm Sarah.
Hello, my name is Aida and I'm Jack.
Hello, my name is Nora and I'm the storyteller.
Hello, my name is Anne and I'm the advert.
Hello, my name is Alex and I'm the guardian.
Hello, my name is Borja and I'm the shop assistant.
Hello, my name is Tabla and I'm the movie.
What are you doing, Dad?
I'm making a birthday cake for Mom. Oh dear, no eggs! Sarah, can you go to the supermarket and buy some eggs, please?
Okay.
Sarah goes past the bakers. Special offer! 10 biscuits for £1.
My pretty biscuit, but I can't stop now. I'm in a hurry.
Sarah goes past the newsagents.
Look, my pretty comic, but I can't stop now. I'm in a hurry.
Sarah goes past the sweet shop. New green lollipops, 5 for £1.
Look, my fairy lollipop, but I can't stop now. I'm in a hurry.
Sarah gets to the supermarket.
Hurry, it's 8 o'clock, closing time.
How much are they?
90 pence.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Hi. Oh dear!
Oh no, look at the eggs. We can make a cake now.
I'm so sorry. Here, look, here is a cake for you.
Thank you.
Sarah goes home.
Look, Dad, I haven't got eggs, but I got a cake.
Well done, Sarah.